Hello there, chefs. Today we're going to do a French bread. So the ingredients we're going to need is flour, sugar, salt, yeast, and our water that has been heated to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. For the first step for this recipe, we're going to take our sugar, our yeast, and our water, and we're going to mix it together in a bowl. Let it sit for 5 minutes. So now we're going to take 3 cups of our flour and we're going to mix it together in our stand mixer with the salt. Then we're going to add in our yeast. Then once it's well mixed together, we're going to add the rest of the flour, so 2 cups. So now we're going to take our dough and we're going to form it into a ball and put it in a bowl that has olive oil all over it. Then we're going to take our wrap. Then we're going to put it on top to cover it all. Then we're going to put it in a hot spot for 30 minutes. Please put the oven on to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to take out the air from our dough. Then we're going to separate it in 2 equal parts. Then we're going to make rectangles to be able to do our baguettes. Now with our knife, we're going to score our bread. Now we're going to cover our dough with a towel and we're going to let it sit for 25 minutes. We're going to take a pan and we're going to put some ice in it. Then we're going to put it on the bottom rack. Then one up from that one, we're going to put the bread. And the ice, what it's going to do is going to make humidity so that we can have a beautiful crust on our bread. Now we're going to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes, then let it cool for 15 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.